Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am down in Pinecrest Estates. This is a gated community about 10 minutes south of Whistler, and we are just getting ready today, getting ready and set up to start a new renovation down here. We're going to completely redo the inside of this 1980s cabin. Boys are starting today. We're targeting to be finished just before the end of this year. So let's go on inside. We'll have a little bit of a boo at the existing condition, and we'll do some regular updates on this exciting project as we go forward over the next 6 months. So stay tuned. This floor, entry floor here on the bottom of the house, gets a complete refresh. The room orientation is going to get changed. They always had this entry here that was sort of an orphan entry to nowhere, so this area here is going to get repurposed as a bedroom. So just a much better use of this floor plan area, and of course brand new bathroom here. Same place, but just all new finishes and fixtures. And then we are going to redo the entire stairwell and add in open riser stairs to bring a little more light from all the windows upstairs down into the lower floor here. Fireplace is going, and of course this big wide open space is going to get divided into two spaces, so we'll get a bedroom on this, two bedrooms on this side, and then on this side over here, games room and office area.
I did, yeah.
This exciting renovation here in Pinecrest Estates, just south of Whistler, is going to involve a complete interior redo, new kitchen, new master bedroom bathroom. Really disappointed to get rid of this lovely brown tub with the carpet surround, but it's got to go. Of course, all new bathroom fittings and fixtures. And then outside we're going to do an extension to the deck that you can see out the windows here. It will wrap all the way around the side of the house here with a view into the woods. So stay tuned, and of course if you want to follow along, subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.